Welcome back to the channel. Right, so I'm out on a stealth one tonight. Something a bit different. I'm head towards Birdhide. It's about a mile or so from my house. I'm just having a slow walk. No rush. And yeah, catch up when I get there. I was thinking about sleeping here tonight, sleeping on top, but since I've been here last, it's sunk a bit. That's out of the question. Right, go. Getting close now, a quarter mile away. Almost there now, guys. Hoping there's no one in there. I'll have a quick look. Right, we're in. Check this out. There we go. Old Birdhide. It's not too bad actually. Pretty good. So yeah, I'll put my bag down, get all set up and that, ready for the night. Yeah, got something a bit different to try out tonight. I've not used before, so let's give it a go. Right, that's the bed setup, guys. The old cot. I never tried this out, so give that a whirl. The old one Tigress. Feels really solid. Kids have been jumping up and down on it, so yeah, should be good. Most important thing, the pillow. A firm rest. It's like being at home with this thing. The old knife. Army issue. Bivvy bag. The old down bag. Get all that set up in a minute. Just on the old army issue, where I'm at tonight. So it's going to get down to about -2, but it's too cold in here. The windows are all open, but cover. Different to being under the old tarp. Go then, guys. Just about set up now. Have a look. Old bed set up. Have a little wander about. Oh, there we go, look, can you see it? That's home for the night. How about that? Night's view then, guys. Not too bad. Moon. It's absolutely beautiful tonight, but camera's just not that good enough to get a close up. Tell you what, I absolutely hate this thing. I've had it a few years now, so I think it's time for a new one. It's so difficult to put together, especially when your hands are cold. Getting that sort of time. It's about 9:30. I'm gonna get the old kettle on. Getting that sleeping bag, I think. It's getting chilly. Just a quick cup of tea tonight, guys. I ain't messing about doing food. I did them before I come out. I just didn't want to be messing about down here, cooking a load of food up. I was just stirring the old cup of tea. The old door just opened a bit. Oh, made me jump. Right. Jump in bed now, I think. I've had enough. Yep. Get a few things squared away and that. Got in bed, guys. The old bivvy bag. Cool. It was getting chilly. About -1 now, I think, out there, freezing. And that wind's nipping through these windows. Yeah, it's good to be out on a bit of a stealth one. So, right. I'll see you guys in the morning. Morning, guys. Whew. At 5 o'clock. Slept pretty well last night. Whew. I'm absolutely red hot in this bivvy bag. My feet are on fire. Oh, slept really well. Right, better get up and get all packed away. Didn't take too long, so. That's me packed away, so everything back in the bag. Didn't take too long. My hands are absolutely freezing. Yeah, slept really well last night in the old one tiger's cot. Makes such a difference just being that a few inches off the ground. Yeah, my feet were so warm last night. Oh, lovely. Right, we'll have a walk back to the house now. Frosty out this morning. Old cold walk back to the house. home now. Brilliant camp, so come back here sometime soon. Enjoyed it. Yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.